This is Madhufani, and today I'm going to unbox the state-of-the-art Vivo V15 Pro. It's got some absolutely splendid features, so let's have a look. I was in a dire need of a new phone, so thank you Vivo, thank you V15 Pro. So let's unbox this thing and let's have a look. It's got some really exotic colors, and I think I have... Wow! It's a topaz blue. How well it goes with my personality, I think. Yes, totally love it. Vivo V15 Pro has some splendid features. It's got 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. It's got 120-degree wide-angle camera. Vivo V15 Pro has in-display fingerprint. Also has dual-engine fast charging, and I think it's also got artificial intelligence body shaping. I've always been very curious about what artificial intelligence is, so I think I'm going to find out. My Instagram is never going to be the same.